Rice County until 10:30 p.m. At 9:23 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Lonsdale, or 9 miles northwest of Faribault, moving south at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts and ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Faribault around 9:45 p.m., Warsaw around 9:50 p.m., Morristown around 9:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Bridgewater, Visalia, Ruskin, and Faribault Airport. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 50 and